How you doing? Look at this little baby plane taking off. He wants to grow up and be a jet. Well, welcome to my live feed from Teterboro Airport, New Jersey, 8 miles west of New York City. Looks like we got a Friday night of action tonight. Planes coming in and planes taking off. Thanks, man. Sam, thanks for subscribing. The more, the better. What I'm doing is filming plane taking off and landings and taxiing for whoever wants to see it. I've been doing it every night around 6 p.m. Eastern. I've been getting a pretty big viewership. Teterboro Airport in Teterboro, New Jersey, 8 miles west of New York City. Right off of Route 46. Which is right behind me. Planes coming in. This is Route 46 right behind me. And this is Industrial Avenue right in front of me. There's New York City. Straight to the bottom of the runway, that's Jersey City, those 4 high rises. All right, landing coming in.